how to fix stuck or disabled white balance color adjustment on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. Now to get here, from the home screen you swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In settings, we scroll down and then tap on display. Next, go down and tap on screen mode. And from here, you can see if I select vivid, there is a white balance color adjustment. Now, normally you should be able to adjust this, but right now it is disabled. So to fix it, you can tap on this question mark icon and tap on turn off adaptive color. Okay, so here we turn off. We can now adjust the white balance color. So that option is actually from the display menu, and then we go down and in here, so we go down. So we just go in here, vivid screen mode, and at the top here there is adaptive color tone. So if that is turned on, this is disabled. So we go back here and turn off adaptive color tone, and therefore we now be able to adjust the white balance. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.